Good morning, students. How are you doing today? I believe you are staying safe at home. Last class, we discussed the second theorem, which states that the angle that an arc of a circle subtend at the center of a circle is twice that which is subtend at the what circumference of a circle. That is, angle at the center twice angle at what the circumference. Today we are going to look at theorem 3, which states that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. What do you mean by the same segment of a circle? Now, if I have a circle, center O. Now, this is my minor segment. Why this is my what? My major segment. So, any angle on this major segment, that is from this arc, if I have an angle subtend to the circumference like this, you see, for the major arc, this is a major arc, while this is a minor arc. Now, the angle on this major arc, the theorem says that they are the same because they are coming from the same arc. Are you getting it now? This is a straight line drawn to the circumference from arc AB. So this from here to this place and from here to this place is the same thing as from here to this place. So the angle that is formed here, they are what? Equal. So if this is A, this is going to be A, this is going to be A. If this is 30 degree, this will be 30 degree, this will be 30 degree. Why? Because the angle, they are in the same segment. Because this is in major segment, you can form the angle in the major segment. So also, in my minor segment, look at my minor segment. This is my minor segment. So using the same arc to extend to the circumference of a circle, you know we have something like this. You can see I have another angle here. From this, like this, I have another angle here. So angle in this segment are also the same. So that is what we are going to look at. If this is B, this angle here is also B. So let me draw a bigger diagram to explain what I mean by angle in the same segments are the same. So if I have, this is a big diagram. Now, let's say this is the center of the circle. Your arc can be anywhere. Don't forget, this one arc, this is minor arc, while this is major arc. So my minor arc, let me trace it with black marker. Can see this is my minor arc. The major arc is in red colored marker. Now let's say this is the center of the circle. The angle in the same segment are what? They are the same. That is, if I have, this is arc PQ, if this arc subtend to the major arc, you can see this is the major arc, I'm going to form an angle here. Now, from that same arc, always remember, from that same arc, before you can say they are the same, if another line is coming from another place to the circumference, they are not going to be the same. So this angle here, it is what? They are in the same segment, because this part here is a major segment, while this part here is a minor segment. And you can see this one extends to the major arc. So if this is, for example, if angle here is 100, you know that the angle that this arc subtend at the center is 100 degree. The angle that is going to have at the circumference, when you remember, sum of angle at the center twice angle at the circumference, so that means this is going to be 50 degree. This is also 50 degree. So you can use that same theorem. If this place is given as 50 and here we have just x, and the question says you should find x, you just say x is equals to 50 degree. Reason, angle in the same segment. Are you getting it now? There are angles in the same segment and they are meant to be what? Equal. So if on the minor arc, so let me send this one.